Hello, today we're unboxing our Starlink Laser Texture Book. This is the protected case made by Laser. And this book has 7 plates. Now let's take a close look, plate by plate. Plate number 1. Okay, plate number 2. Plate number 3. So each plate is very different graphic designs. Plate number 4. And plate number 5 is similar to leather textures. Plate number 6 is made by clear PMMA. You can see how the textures shows in this clear material. And also you can text the light transmit. Plate number 7. Thank you for watching.